Hey gang, just want to give you this quick video on this portable toiletry case. The reason why I've got this is because my wife wants to have her stuff organized and she wants to be able to put this and just have this at the ready. So whenever we're going on a trip, which we do a lot of traveling, this can be either wrapped up very nicely. This all rolls up onto itself and then it becomes like a nice carrying case on there, and this top part connects into there with the Velcro, and then all of a sudden you have a portable traveling case, which is very nice. It is very compact. It sits in our suitcase and keeps all of our stuff organized in different sections, and each section actually is removable, so you don't have to have, if you want to take something off of here, these all have Velcros, strips, and they each have their individual zippers on here. So this is very well made. It's very sturdy. It's held up. We've actually had this for quite some months now, and it's been very useful for us. We highly recommend this. Thanks for watching.